This is the weekend edition. My name is D7 here at Grok Trade. This is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, June 19th, 2016. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And we had a bearish day on Friday with the NASDAQ doing the poorest. We have tech stocks down 1.4%. The banks in bullish territory, however, financials down 0.6%. US dollar down 0.4%, even with the markets down. And you have crude oil up a whopping 4.7%. Gold higher by more than 1%. Silver higher by 1.8%. And VIX basically at break even. Not a whole lot going on there. So what happened on a Friday? Here's the deal. It was quadruple witching, meaning there were 4 expiration dates on a bunch of contracts that all were due on the same day. So you had a lot of selling. And over the weekend, people are freaking out about the notion that the UK might leave the European nation. And nobody or few people want to be long over the weekend. I'm long over the weekend. And didn't like to see the down day on Friday. Wanted to see more upside potential, but I can't hold it against everybody due to, again, the quad witching and what's going to happen with the UK and the uncertainty of the Fed on if they're going to raise interest rates or not. That we are looking at the spider daily chart, and we're pulling back. We have a higher low, lower high, another hammer. So we got a couple hammers in a row here. And I think we still have more upside potential. We'll see if that actually comes to fruition. The Dow, same thing, kind of an inside trading day. Not a whole lot took place on Friday. NASDAQ, though, different ball game. Apple's really playing a havoc on the NASDAQ and the rest of the markets. After all, it's the biggest, most liquid traded stock out there. We have a lower high and a lower low. Small caps, we still stay above the trend line. And take a look here at the banks. The banks higher high and a higher low. Financials, lower high, higher low, inside trading day. Kind of a moot move on Friday. US dollar down. And this is what's very interesting to me. I've been talking about this going higher and breaking out to the upside, but we broke here a trend line. Because we broke that trend line, I have to put a sell arrow now, which does surprise me. With the interest rates, we believe the interest rates will be ticking higher this summer, and that should only make the US dollar go higher. So to see that break a support level is something that is just surprising to a number of us. Crude oil had a nice pop. We were down, and a big pop with a big volume. Because of that, I'm going to say look for crude oil to start going higher. And gold, just we had this big sell. I'm keeping my sell signal on gold. Silver, same thing. We have a doji just sideways, whole lot of nothing. So I have my sell order there. And let's go to the weekly charts. I really do not like this on the weekly. This is very bearish. We have a resistance. We popped up, but now we come back down. That's a death hook here. And I really don't like to sell with a big volume and breaking major support like that. I don't have any other choice but on a weekly chart add a red arrow here to that. And the Dow, we're still above support. I had a sell. I remain a sell until I say buy. NASDAQ, again, we have resistance, resistance. We popped above it, which was very bullish, but then we came right back down below it. I'm going to take that line, bring it up to there. And yeah, I really don't have much of a choice but to say sell here. And small caps, we said sell here. We smacked resistance, and now we're dropping. So on the weekly, I'm going to add another sell right here. Banks, down, 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 broke a support line. You can see that. I'm going to say that is a sell over this candlestick. Financials, up, 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 and drop, 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 pulling back. US dollar weekly chart. Remember, these are weekly charts that we're looking at. I still have my sell signal on that. That's fine. Crude oil, up, 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 up. I'm not ready on the weekly chart to call sell yet with the doji, so I'm going to wait on that. Gold, up, 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 up. Now we're at a pinnacle with these two trend lines. I'm going to say sell on a weekly gold. Silver, I cannot say that yet. VIX is a nice pop. Man, I'm going to have to say that is a go to the upside bullish right here under that candlestick. So VIX is looking to go higher. Man, on the weekly chart, guys, things do not look bullish at all. Now let's go to the monthly chart and see what's going on. This is a spider monthly. We're still okay. Popped up here. We're above resistance, so we got a support level. I think we're fine. The diamonds, we at one point got up above this area. I'm going to massage it just ever so slightly, and it's building a high base. I don't know, that could still go higher. NASDAQ, well, man, I'm worried about this one. We're down here, we cannot get off of support, so this is really teetering on death here. This is a drop, a little choppy, very mini-me bear flag, and this could get bearish and quickly, but I can't call it sell yet because we haven't broke through. But holy smokes, the monthly is looking bearish. And we have resistance, resistance. We popped resistance, and so even though I think it could come down here because we do have a shooting star reversal pattern, this could certainly just base sideways now that we're busted above resistance. The banks, ouch, popped up, came to this line. Oh, and now we're dropping. Yeah, that is a big time sell. So the banks on the monthly chart, toast. Toast. Not looking good. Financials, broke this. I'm going to get rid of it. And big time sell on that one too. Wow. So this is in dire trouble. The markets are toast, guys, on the monthly, on the bigger time frame. I called a big time warning, said 2016 is going to be very bearish. We are going to drop. We won't see those highs. I called the market top, and so far I have been 100% correct on that market top. And I think that we're in trouble. Trouble. US dollar monthly, I still say bullish there. I am going to go to crude oil, up, 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 up. Now we doji. Good chance that crude oil on the monthly is going to drop, even though I think on the, what did I say on the weekly on that? The weekly was just kind of sideways. Yeah, okay. So back to the monthly. Gold monthly is building a high base. We could break out, or we could see another red one here, which I think we're going to see a red one. So I would not want to be holding this white, red. I think red's coming next. But I think overall we have upside potential on the big time frames on silver and on gold. I give you the very best of technical analysis. Been doing this a long time. Always go to Grok Trade. And when you go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentor, watch the videos, let the students talk to you. A lot of these different students will match where you're at right now, and you're going to be motivated to fill out this form. When you fill that out, we will have a phone call with you where we do kind of an interview where we ask you a lot of basic questions about your trading to see where you're at. There you have it. Take care. Share this video, and if you like it,